In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FigJam for diagramming. To get started, open your FigJam board and make sure your team is already in the workspace if you're collaborating together. This is helpful because diagramming in FigJam often works best when everyone can view, edit, and contribute in real time. Once the board is open, give yourself a moment to look around the canvas so you know where you want to build your diagram. Next, begin adding shapes. To do that, go to the bottom toolbar and click the Shapes and Connector icon. This will open the available shape options, and from there you can choose the one that fits the part of the diagram you're creating. For example, a rectangle is commonly used to represent a step, a page, or an idea. A diamond usually represents a decision point where the flow can go in more than one direction. A circle is often used for a starting point or an ending point. As you build your diagram, use the appropriate shape for each part so the overall structure is easy to read and understand. After placing your shapes on the board, add text inside them. Simply click on a shape and type what it means. Keep the text short and clear so anyone looking at the diagram can quickly understand the purpose of that step or decision. This is especially useful when you're working with a team, since clear labels reduce confusion and make the diagram more effective. Once your shapes are labeled, start connecting them. Click the Shapes and Connector icon again, and you'll see another toolbar where you can choose the connector style you want to use. Then hover over a shape until you see a connection dot. Click that dot and drag toward another shape. When you reach the next shape, look for its connection dot or wait until it highlights in blue. Then release or click again to complete the connection. This creates the flow between steps and helps show how the process moves from one point to the next. Continue repeating this process by adding shapes, labeling them, and connecting them until your diagram is complete. As you go, try to keep spacing neat and the flow easy to follow, since a clean layout makes your diagram much easier to present and review. And that's it. That's how to use FigJam for diagramming. Once you've practiced this a few times, creating clear visual flows in FigJam becomes quick, simple, and collaborative.